Yes, my dear student, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. I am also absolutely fine. Today in this video, we'll give you some clarification regarding changes made in our new edition question bank, that is 13th edition question bank, and new edition, that is 6th edition India Saaransh book. We have already announced our new regular batch for CA Final Financial Reporting paper, which will be commencing from 17th of this month. That batch will be available in English language as well as Hindi plus English language. Means that will be two separate recording. One will be completely in English, one will be in Hindi plus English mixed language. Now in that batch we will be providing our new edition question bank, that is 13th edition question bank and 6th edition India Saaransh book. Means all the existing student, our student, have received 12th edition question bank and 5th edition India Saaransh book. So whenever there is some changes in the book, there is some changes in the edition of the book, so of course one doubt will come in the mind of this existing student, what are the changes has been made, and of course can I say we should inform them about such changes. So this video is for that particular clarification. Listen the video carefully, and from where you will get that particular PDF, that also you need to understand. Got this fine? First let us come to our question bank. So of course can I say 12th edition to 13th edition some new question have been added. So which new question? That new question we have taken from RTP May 2025 exam, MTP May 2025 exam, both series 1 and series 2, and some question from November 2024 examination. So there are actually 6 new question in RTP of May 2025 exam. Only one new questions in MTP of May 2025 exam, and there are 6, I will say, different type of question which were given in November 2024 examination. Means in total there are 13 new questions which have been incorporated in my 13th edition question bank. Already a PDF has been created which incorporate all these new questions, so don't waste your time in going through the RTP and MTP of ICS study material if you are writing in May 2025 exam. Download that PDF from my Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description of this particular video. There are some interesting questions in RTP of May 2025 exam. Of course, don't worry. We'll create a video on that for the clarification regarding the solution. Okay, sir. Already for November 2024 exam for CFS question, which was a totally, I will say in that there was some new adjustment. Already a video has been created for that particular question. Understood? Means all the new questions which require explanation, don't worry about that. I will create a new video on that. Okay, sir. Now coming to India Saaransh book from 5th edition to 6th edition, I will say there is no changes. There is no amendment in any Ind AS. Only one amendment is there, that now Ind AS 104 related to insurance contract has been now changed to Ind AS 117, but Ind AS 117 is not in our syllabus. Good point is that Ind AS 117 is not in our syllabus. So in the 5th edition, wherever Ind AS 104 is mentioned, normally it will mention in the scope of that particular video, a particular chapter. So you need to just change it from Ind AS 104 to Ind AS 117. There is no such changes. What I have done in 6th edition, I have simplified the, I will say, concept. Means more simplification has been done. For example, just try to understand. If I'll give you one example, because if you have listened my classes, you know about that. There is a compound financial instrument topic in Ind AS 109. So normally all the steps I used to, in my all previous recording, I used to give in writing as a class notes. Now that type of summary has been now incorporated in my Ind AS Saaransh book only. That is only the changes. And the major, I will say, simplification has been done in only few chapters. For example, Ind AS 41, Ind AS 109, CFS, and Ind AS 116. So you can, these all chapters will be provided in my Telegram channel. Don't worry about that. But if you are okay with 5th edition, I will say don't go through that. It will be wastage of time. But even though, now if you want what are the changes has been made, what are the simplification I have made. If you want, the PDF is already given in my Telegram channel. You can download from that. About the professional ethical duties, in my previous or recording, I used to give as a class note, means I used to give in writing. So what I have done, that writing whatever I used to give as a class note, I have incorporated as a separate chapter. Same thing, same content, but now of course it will be given in India Saaransh book only. Correct? So professional ethical duty, that also you can download if you want to download. Got this point? So only simplification has been done. I will say simplification means more steps has been added, which I used to give as a class notes. Now that has been incorporated in my India Saaransh book. Major changes if you see, there are some new concepts which they were, means for example bonus shares etc., which were not in my India Saaransh book. I used to give in writing. Now all that adjustment has been also incorporated in the chapter only. And there are some new points which I feel that now question may come from that also. I have added in CFS chapter. So CFS chapter, you can say there are some new points has been added. You can download from the Telegram channel. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. Now coming to multiple choice question. So of course, can I say now if I am saying multiple choice question, due to RTP of May 2025, MTP of May 2025 and November 2024 examination, there will be some new MCQs that all MCQs has been given in the MCQ soft copy folder. You can download once again. This folder will be available free to everyone. Means everyone can download from my Telegram channel. Correct? So all these MTP, out of this RTP MCQs already I have discussed in my video. MTP multiple choice question, I don't think that video is required, but if you want, I can discuss the particular MCQs in my video also in YouTube channel. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. November 2024 examination MCQs has been already discussed. Correct? So this you can get, once again you can get from my Telegram channel the PDF about the multiple choice question. Now coming to IBS paper 6. So of course, can I say in IBS paper 6, due to once again RTP, MTP and November 2024 examination, there will be some new case studies. In that case study, there will be some question related to FR. So all these have been now incorporated in one PDF. Means I have already given for November 2024 examination. That PDF will be now extended with all these new FR related question in IBS. Correct? About the RTP May 2025, MTP May 2025 exam and November 2024 examination. Index has been also provided. With this, I have also provided the index of my 4th edition and 5th edition India Saaransh book, which will be very helpful. That also you can download from the particular same folder. I'll just go through that. I will just go to the Telegram channel. I will just inform you what has been given, what has not been given. Coming to the expected question and top 95 question. Expected question, normally it has, I think 300 questions I have given expected list already. I think you have already downloaded it. Out of that, top 95 question I have also provided for May 2025 exam. I hope that already you have downloaded it, but if you have not downloaded it, in the last revision, I will say do at least all these expected question. If you don't have time, this top 95 question is very, very important from examination point of view. This is all the clarification for May 2025 student and onward attempt student also. Got this point? I hope this is clear. Now coming to my Telegram channel, you can see, if you go to my Telegram channel, you can see I have given additional question 8 to 13 edition. If you go to this, you can see 8 edition new question. Means suppose if you are my old student, in which I used to provide 7th edition question bank. So from 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12 and 12 13, all additional questions have been given in this particular PDF. So this is the last 13 edition, all the new questions. Correct? Yes, sir. Now coming to India Saaransh book, if you come to India Saaransh book, you can see 4th edition, 5th edition. 5th edition, there is no changes. 6th edition, there is some simplification has been done. If you go to 6th edition, you can see I have given India's 41, financial instrument chapter, lease chapter, consolidation chapter, professional ethical duties of chartered accountant. All the PDF has been given. Got this point? Yes, sir. Then coming to multiple choice question, you can, if you go to multiple choice question, case study based multiple choice question, RTP, MTP exam case study, ICI Board of Studies ICI Board of Studies case studies, all the Board of Studies case study which has been given by ICI, that has been also incorporated. Paper 6 IBS, all the MCQs, means all the MCQs related to FR about a paper 6 has been given as an additional PDF. Then GFRS, you know about the old syllabus. There was one paper, Global Financial Reporting Standard. In that they used to ask some multiple choice question that may be also important from examination point of view. If you have time, you can also go through that if you have time. Yes sir, all the MCQs has been provided. Now coming to next, I will say expected question, already you can go through that. And then last you can see paper 6 IBS FR related case study and index. If you go to this, you can see, you can find out paper 6 IBS FR related question, whether MCQs, descriptive, everything has been given, and index of my India Saaransh book 4th edition and 5th edition. Because right now, of course, those who are reading for May 2025, they will be using either my 4th edition or 5th edition India Saaransh book. The index has been given, which will be useful for your IBS paper number 6. I think everything is clear now. This video, I think, will help you for, I will say, more clarification I have given, so that you don't have doubt about my 13th edition question bank and my 6th edition India Saaransh book. Normally it happens whenever we give some new edition, so a lot of doubt will come. So is there any amendment or whatever questions? Everything I have just informed to you. So once again I will say, if you are following my 5th edition India Saaransh book, there is no need to change it, because the concept remains same. There is no amendment. To stick to that particular point, some simplification has been done. So if you are writing in September 2025 onward item, then you can of course download it. For May 2025, I will say stick to whatever you have done. Right now, don't change anything. Okay, there are some new questions in the 13th edition question bank that may be important from examination point of view. In RTP, there are 2-3 good question has been given which need to be understood. Okay, sir, this much for the clarification. I hope this will help you. All the best for your examination. Do like this video and share this video with all your friends. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. All the best.